Get up and running with Slack. In this video, we'll show you how to install the Slack desktop app, how to sign into the UCLA Slack Enterprise Grid, how to update your profile, and how to become a certified Slack wizard. We recommend downloading and using the Slack desktop app and/or Slack mobile app, as they both have multiple benefits over using the browser-based version of Slack. To download the Slack desktop app, go to https://slack.com/downloads. Click on the appropriate version to download. For Windows, there are two versions, 32-bit and 64-bit. Most newer computers are 64-bit, however, check with your local IT support if you need assistance installing the app or have questions about which version to download. After the installer has downloaded, open it and install the application. Let's sign in to the UCLA Slack Enterprise Grid. In the browser of your choice, click in the address bar and go to ucla.slack.com. Click on Sign in with your UCLA Logon ID. Enter your UCLA Logon ID and password and click Sign in. If this is your first time signing into the UCLA Slack environment, you will be prompted to review the terms of service. Once you have done so, click I agree. If you have the Slack desktop app installed, you may receive the following pop-up. Check the Always Allow UCLA.slack.com to open links of this type in the Associated App option if you would like Slack links to launch in the Slack desktop application. Click the Open Slack button. Congratulations! You will now find yourself in the Welcome channel of the UCLA Community Workspace. Next, let's update your profile. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. The default icon is a generic head and shoulders. Click on Edit Profile. Fill in your full name, display name, and what you do. This information will help people find you when searching in Slack. Be sure to provide information that allows people to confirm that you are the person they want to contact. Upload an image that will help people recognize you. This profile is visible across the UCLA Enterprise Grid. Optional. Try the Slack Escape Room Challenge activity to learn a few Slack tips and become a certified Slack wizard. Go to the UCLA Community Workspace. In the sidebar, click the Add Channels Plus icon and select Browse Channels. In the search bar, type in Escape and press Enter. Click the Join button to the right of the Slack Escape Room channel. Slackbot will send you a message. Click on Slackbot. To start the activity, click on the Continue If You Dare button. You will be asked to perform a series of 10 challenges. Click the Done button to continue. Upon completion, you will be certified as a Slack wizard. Nice job! Thanks for watching.